Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to edit a moving zoom picture in CapCut. So I've already added a picture in CapCut and I'm going to edit it in the moving zoom edit. So what you need to do is click on the photo and here zoom it a little bit and add a keyframe and then move forward and move it a little bit like this and add another keyframe, move forward first. I'm going to zoom in and move forward again, then I'm going to slide it like this. Okay, you can just move it anywhere as you like. Okay, going to go with this and less, so the picture will go like this. So you can just move it around as you like. So this is the final result of mine. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, please click on the thanks below. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.